So let us choose the correct statement from this. We'll analyze each and every statement. Why statement 1 is wrong? Centrifugal and centripetal forces are action reaction pairs, which I already told you it is not. We discussed it in at least 2-3 places. Let us try to understand that again. Suppose if there is a planet or a satellite is revolving around a planet, and if you are inside the satellite, you are moving in a circle, you are in an accelerating frame, you experience centrifugal force. But the force of attraction between the planet and the satellite is toward the center, so that is a centripetal force. So when you are in the accelerating frame, we call the force acting on it, or we experience as if we are thrown away, we experience centrifugal force. When you are outside the system and you observe it, we know that it is because it is moving in circles, you are experiencing that force, but actually it is a centripetal force. But let us take this case. If the centripetal force and centrifugal force are equal and opposite, if they are action reaction pairs, means they are equal and opposite, so they cancel each other, then what about the net force acting on it? Net force acting on it will be zero. According to Newton's first law, if the net force acting on the body is zero, it has to move in a straight line with a constant speed. Hence it will no longer move in circles. As long as the object is moving in circle, then action reaction pairs are not balanced. So centrifugal and centripetal forces cannot form action reaction pairs. They are simply wrong. Centripetal forces is a natural force. It's not a natural force. Whenever a frame of reference is accelerating, whenever you are in a system that is going with some acceleration, then that is happening. So it is not a natural force. So then centrifugal force arises from gravitational force, not necessarily. This is true only in the case of a person moving in circles around a planet. He may be experiencing that centrifugal force, not every time. So but just imagine, what about the water drops in the clothes? When the clothes are in a dryer, when the dryer is rotated and the water drops are thrown away, so that's how the dryers work. There the cause of the centrifugal force is not gravitational force, but it is because of the rotating drum in there. So this is not. Centripetal force acts towards the center and centrifugal force appears to see, it's a very clear statement, it appears to act away from the center in circular motion. So this is a true one. Centripetal force is a force that acts towards the center. Centrifugal force is a force that is experienced by a person or an object in a rotating frame, in a rotating or a frame that is moving around in circles. So option 4 is correct.